We on the record in cause number 327-566. I'll repeat that. Cause number 327-566. And the case is styled the state of Texas versus Juan Manuel Anaya. We have Mr. Anaya there who is also present. Mr. Anaya speaks Spanish. And so therefore we have someone there from the Jefferson County Jail to do the interpretation now. Would you state your full name, ma'am?
Demetria Juarez.
Ms. Juarez, could you please raise your right hand and the court reporter will swear you in?
Yes,
Please
ma'am.
raise your right hand.
You said right hand?
Translate.
She can't hear you. Repeat it.
Accurately. Spanish to English, English to Spanish.
Did you hear the court?
I can't hear. No, ma'am, I can't.
We didn't hear anything, Judge.
Okay.
These swear that you will accurately translate Spanish to English and English to Spanish. So help you God.
Yes.
Okay. You may put your hand down. Now, Ms. Juarez.
Yes, ma'am.
Ms. Juarez, could you ask Mr. Anaya if his full name is Juan Manuel Anaya?
¿Es tu nombre completo? Yes.
Mr. Anaya, I have before me an affidavit of indigency.
El papel que lo firmamos, que llenamos es para, pues, decir que no estás entrando, no estás ganando dinero.
Sí, cuando estoy trabajando, pues, cuando estaba afuera, pues estaba trabajando.
He said when he was free, he worked, but now that he's in here, he's not working.
Okay, now, Mr. Anaya, on this affidavit, it states that you have 4 children. Is that correct?
En ese papel escribiste que tenías 4 hijos.
Sí.
Eso está correcto.
Sí.
Yes.
It also states that you are married. Is that correct?
También dice que eres casado,
Estoy casado, estamos ahorita en plan de
separados.
separados.
Married but separated.
So, Mr. Anaya, are you working?
¿Estás
No.
trabajando?
No,
No.
And you and your spouse are not living together. Is that correct?
Tú y tu esposa no están viviendo juntos.
no,
That is correct.
Now, I see here that your spouse, well, you don't have any income. Is that correct?
Tú no estás ganando dinero, ¿verdad?
no.
That's correct.
Now, your spouse makes about $1,200 a month. Is that correct?
Pero tu esposa gana como 1,200 al mes.
Sí,
Yes.
But you are not living together, and so you don't share that income. Is that correct?
That's correct.
You ask him that question.
Como ustedes no están viviendo juntos, ese dinero que ella está recibiendo no es parte de usted.
no, eso que no.
That's correct.
Okay, now I'm looking for your monthly expenses, and in all the categories, you have, and I'll just read, all the categories you have 0. Is that correct?
Lo pusimos en 0 en todos porque ahorita no estás trabajando, entonces no estás trabajando ni tienes, no estás viviendo
No
con.
estoy contigo, con eso.
Right. That is correct.
Okay, so therefore you have no income and no expenses. Is that correct?
That's correct. Entonces ahorita quiere decir que no estás trabajando y no tienes para pagar los biles.
Ni me estoy comunicando.
Okay. That is correct.
Okay, Mr. Anaya, you currently meet the eligibility requirements for a court-appointed attorney,
Te van a dar un abogado del estado.
and your attorney is going to be Mr. Charles Rojas.
Te van a dar el abogado que se llama Charlie Rojas y él habla español.
And Mr. Rojas speaks Spanish, so he should be able to communicate with you.
I told him that, Your Honor.
And your case is going to be reset till next Thursday. Mr. Rojas will come out to visit with you.
Te van a cambiar el corte hasta el próximo jueves para que el abogado Charlie Rojas venga para comunicar contigo antes del corte.
Now, Ms. Juarez,
Yes,
have you interpreted before in this court?
no, I have not.
Okay. And you are an employee with the Jefferson County Sheriff's Office, is that correct?
That is correct.
Okay, and this is our first time meeting?
Yes, I've never met you before.
Okay, and it was good meeting you, Ms. Juarez.
Nice to meet you too.
And thanks for interpreting on behalf of the court. And tell Mr. Anaya to follow the bailiff and have a blessed day, and you have a blessed day as well.
Thank you. You do the